Hi, my name is Stefan from MJR, and today we are going to have a look at Uploadia, what it is and what you can use it for. What is Uploadia? Uploadia is a web application to upload data from Excel to Infor XA. The reason why we came up with Uploadia is because there is no way to upload any data in default XA. If you got new prices from your customers, for example, you have to type them in manually or use a custom solution. You don't have to be a programmer or a person with technical background to use Uploadia. You can upload files very easily in under 2 minutes. There is no possibility to upload invalid data in XA because it uses the XA API system link. Therefore, you have always full data validation. Also, nothing can be done in Uploadia that cannot be done by the user in Power or Netlink, so there is no security risk while using Uploadia. From a technical side, there are no requirements for Uploadia. You can install it on your IBM I or any other server in your network. Uploadia doesn't need any internet access, therefore your data will never leave your local network. Alright, let's have a look at a real example now. This is the login page of Uploadia. We can log in with our XA credentials, username and password. We select our system, our environment, and the language. Once we've logged in, we can see the main page of Uploadia. On the right side, we can see the different business objects, not only the default business objects, but also our own custom business objects. On the bottom, we can see the different processes, and on the left side, we can see Excel files once we've uploaded them. For the example, we will go for an item vision base price upload, and this is the Excel file I've prepared. So we have 10 different items. We have the date of today, we have different prices, and the pricing unit of measure. So let's upload this file right here. We go into Uploadia, and we can either drag or drop it in here, or we can click this icon and select the Excel file. Once it's uploaded, we can drop it in this field right here, and then we will search for the correct business object, which is item revision base price. There it is, item revision base prices. We can drop the business object here, and then we can see the different attributes. And what you can see down here is the mapping, and that's a special feature of Uploadia called auto mapping, because the name of the XA attribute and the Excel file column was the same. Uploadia was able to map those attributes directly. So we can do the rest on our own. So item revision is this one, date is price effective date, and pricing unit of measure is pricing UM. That's it. Now we could save the mapping if we want to. Item revision 2023. We can also save it as read-only. Save. All right, and then we can click upload. Okay, now we can see the lines in green, they all work, they were created, and the ones in red, they were not created because there was an error. But let's have a look at the green ones, and let's check Netlink. If I refresh the page, I have a filter for today. We can see 8 items, 1 to 10, but item number 5 and item number 2, they are missing with the price effective date, base price, and the pricing unit of measure. So let's see why those two did not go through. If we click the line, we can see the system link error message, which is basically the same as you would get in Power or Netlink. And we can see the price unit of measure you've entered is not found in the unit of measure file. That's why we have ST instead of EA for the pricing unit of measure in Germany. So we can double click this cell and edit it in here. We add ST, and the same for this one, ST, and we can select this entry and select this entry, and then we can resend our selection. And now we can see those lines are also green. If we check netlink, refresh the page, we have number 2 and we have number 5. If you want more information about Uploadia and a more detailed demo with your own use cases, don't hesitate to contact us.